Hello, my name is Fernando Antonio Andrade Garcia. I will show you how to mount a PC. The first thing we'll do is power to power source, which is screams. Now we go with the motherboard, and the first thing we will do we to place the RAM memories. The CPU will have it. We input terminal path. After the terminal path, we got the heads. Now we place the Wi-Fi network around the video adapter with everything out the in screen. We'll proceed to place the internal disk that basically is only on for this PC. What is the HDD hard drive? Now we are going with the external compartment unit. What will be 10 of the box to the 7 DVD of width it will be to see the cassette with the same thing of the screen, and that's it. Now we are going to route the cables for the power supply and the hard drive to the motherboard and some other cables that are missing. But this is a super simple process. Finally, we are going to place the external cables that are simply the power supply, so that the Wi-Fi cable gadget, there are energy signal, and what will be the Wi-Fi antenna and the mouse and the tecler.